Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take stunning 48 megapixel photos on the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings and then go over to the camera settings. So you need to scroll a bit down. They are in the second section right here, right between the Apple Intelligence, Siri and the control center. Now scroll down until you see formats. Here in the formats, we want to make sure that we enable ProRAW and Resolution Control. Now you guys can change your ProRAW format, but I always stick to the JPEG lossless because, as you guys can see, it's the most compatible one. So after we changed our format here, we can go over to the camera, and now here we can change the format to, let's say, RAW, and then resolution to 48 megapixels. Now whenever we take a picture of something, we should be either getting 12 or 48, but this photo was taken raw, so as you guys can see, this is 12, and sometimes the 12 might do the better job. You guys can disable this, and now whenever you look at a picture, it will be 48. So as you guys can see, we have used the portrait mode right here. It's better for the flowers, and normally whenever we take our picture, then we will be getting the main camera and 48 megapixels. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.